How to fix Spectrum router blinking red. First, check for a Spectrum outage. Before troubleshooting your equipment, open the My Spectrum app or visit Spectrum's outage checker. See if there is a service outage in your area. If an outage is reported, you'll need to wait until Spectrum restores service. Step 2. Restart your modem and router. Unplug both the modem and router. Wait 2 minutes. Plug the modem back in first. Wait until all modem lights become stable, which is about 3 to 5 minutes. Plug the router back in, and then wait another 2 to 5 minutes. Restarting in the correct order fixes most blinking red light issues. Step 3. Check all cable connections. Inspect the Ethernet cable between modem and router, coax cable connected to the modem, and power cables. Make sure every cable is fully inserted and shows no signs of damage. A loose Ethernet cable is one of the most common causes. Step 4. Check the modem lights. If your modem's online light is blinking or off, the modem isn't connected to Spectrum. The router cannot connect until the modem is online. Fix the modem first before troubleshooting the router. Step 5. Let the router finish booting. After restarting, wait 5 to 10 minutes. Firmware updates or network registration may take several minutes. Avoid unplugging the router during this time. Step 6. Factory reset the router. If the light is still blinking red, hold the reset button for 15 to 30 seconds. Wait for the router to reboot, and then set it up again using the My Spectrum app if required. Note that a factory reset erases custom Wi-Fi names and passwords. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.